Traders, every day I post a hot list into Discord. These are trades that you can trade manually, and some of them I'll be trading on my account, and they will go into Telegram, where you can automatically copy them from Telegram into your MT4 or MT5 account. So this is the hot list I sent in on the, that's it there, hot list on the 23rd of June. Now what we're going to do is just have a quick look at the results and just verify that these are correct. Total return or risk reward are gain. If you'd followed my mentorship video, 23R. Okay, so I'm sending in the hot list, but I'm also providing a mentorship. If we go here to daily mentorship, this one was on the 23rd, so I cover this list and we go through how to trade everything. So let's just have a quick look in TradingView and run through and have a look at the results. So this is the list here. Euro, Aussie was the first one. We'll just start from the top and work down. We'll just quickly run through. So what we're looking for, as I mentioned in the mentorship video, is these signals to kick in after our initial range. And then we take the trade. We're targeting, in this case, we've got a previous daily here. Stop loss under the previous low. That's it. And we got a 2.55. Okay, that's correct. Euro yen. And by the way, guys, if you haven't already, take the free trial. If you're new to our Discord and you haven't taken the free trial, jump on it and see how it can make a difference. The link is below. Quick look at the Euro yen. And again, we're looking for the opportunity after this initial range. This is the Asia Open here. We've got to wait for these signals. They kick in and we take the trade. Targeting this previous daily here. Stop loss, you can keep it fairly tight, just slightly under here. And that's a 3.46R. Well, 3.4. Euro New Zealand. Yeah, and look, here's the thing. If you have had the free trial in the past, New Zealand, and for whatever reason you left, you're welcome to take it again. Given that we have new indicators and a completely new strategy, yeah, you're welcome to jump on board and check it out. Now here we actually have our new indicator. It didn't give us a signal, although this one did. Okay, so that's valid. I do prefer both of these kicking in together. And in a bullish trend, obviously, we ignore any red signals. Okay, we're only looking for the green signals in a green trend. 3R, yeah, that's Euro Kiwi. Okay, we had a gold bullish trade idea. Okay, this one was posted through the Asian session, but now we have to wait for the signal. So the idea was, again, wait for the initial range after the this is the Asia Open here. This was the initial range, and we didn't get, and we have to wait for about an hour, we didn't get a green signal. However, it kicked in here. So that's, well, this is the initial range into the London session. There's your signal, and that's your trade. So it's very simple for you guys to just take the hot list and run with it, wait for the signal, and take the trade. Now, the stop loss, have a look at this. Have a look at, I'm just going to circle something. See this green spike under here. In fact, what I'm going to do is brighten it up. I want to show you this. The bullish fill. Let's just really enhance it. And the bearish fill. Alright, see what I've circled here. Again, I'll show you. Alright, that is your stop loss level. Right there. See how it got you out of trouble? Slightly under this green zone. Okay, so you may or may not have got caught out with that. Gold, we'll just call it 2.5. The other thing you want to match up with your stop loss is this. See here, I'm just going to mark it up. I'm going to circle it. See these two dots? Okay, on, off, on, off. That's the cloud starting to kick in right there. Okay, so that with this spike, this green spike is your stop loss level. And then these three were the three that I traded on my own account. These were transferred over to Telegram for those of you who are automatically copying from Telegram to MT4 through TS Copier. So we had an Aussie Swiss. Now you can see that these signals are pretty good. That's why we call it the hot list. So that was our signal there. Sell. Target down to the yellow line. So there's about 3.67 there. I just call it 3.5. Aussie Kiwi. I ended up closing this basket of trades at the same time. And I think I ended up with about a 3 something R gain. This one I closed early, but if you're trading it manually, stop again above the you can see the red shaded zone here down to the yellow line, 1.98. I'll just round it off at 2R. Yeah, the other one was the New Zealand Swiss and then the New Zealand dollar. There's a Kiwi dollar there. And again, these 4 trades I closed at the same time. I closed them early, but this one, if you traded it manually, stop just above that, and you got a 3R down to the yellow line there. What's this one? Kiwi dollar. Oh, okay, I've got 2.5. Fair enough. And the Kiwi Swiss. All right, so this one gained 4R. I've actually got it. Yeah, 4R here. If you traded it down to this yellow line, there's your signals right there. I'll just update this calculation. 23.4, 23.5. Yeah, anyway, that's rounded off. Okay, guys, so every day there's a mentorship video, there's the hot list, and the option to automatically copy from Telegram over to your MetaTrader 4. I'll show you that quickly. So here we are in Telegram. This was June the 23rd. New order, here we go, look. Okay, so that's how it's formatted, and this is TS Copier friendly, and the link's on the website. TS Copier, there's a video on that, so you can automatically copy instructions, and further down there's the settings that you can copy and paste into TS Copier. And of course, take the free trial, guys. It's 7 days, it won't cost you anything, and you'll be able to see for yourself how this could be a game changer for you. It's all there. Just click on that. Now this is going to be going up. You could lock in the free trial now, and you lock in $29.95 for as long as you stay with it. This will probably go up to about $79.95 at some stage in the near future, not $49. Maybe $49, and then it'll jump to $79, because this is potentially an incredibly lucrative passive income opportunity for you. Okay, with that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.